Hi everyone, happy new year. It's a pleasure being back here. I'm happy dropping this content today. It's been a very long while I've been away. Happy to be back. Expect a lot more content from driving in Lagos and from Lagos routes in 2023. In this video, take a look at the reaction of a driver, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Is his reaction justified? Are these the things that make Lagos roads unruly? Are Lagosians generally bad drivers, or he just overreacted? Let me know in the comment section what you think. And when you're done, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video and to this channel, and of course tell your loved ones. Hoping 2023 will be not just a great year, but one filled with a lot of opportunities for everyone. You have a wonderful day and stay safe on Lagos roads. Cheers.